I'm going to be talking about text behind animation with effect. These are some of the good things about animations, and that is the main reason why I love, as much as I love YouTube content, YouTube growth content, I also love animation and effect. And these things helps your YouTube videos to look very interesting and very attractive to whoever that is watching it. And with that, you'll be able to get people's attention, make them to be able to want to watch your video, to really get to know what your YouTube videos is all about. Now, text behind effect, I've seen a whole lot of people doing text behind effects on their YouTube videos. Some even use the text behind to also create a thumbnail or do every other thing which they want to do on their YouTube video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually create this text behind effects, not just creating the text behind itself, but adding animational effect to these things. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we're going to be doing this text behind effect using Capcut for our animational effect. So now once you come to Capcut, this is some of the things in which you need to do. You need to do what? Come to new project, be able to import the particular video in which you want to use this text behind effect on, and that is exactly when you need to apply all these effects or some of these things which I'm going to be showing you on this video.
So you need to search for the particular video in which you want to use to do the text behind, and we have so many videos in which you can use. We have pre-installed videos already on Capcut in which you can use. So this is the one in which you select, in which you're going to be using to do this effect. So now one of the first thing which you want to do is that on Capcut you select the video. Once it's imported, you select it, and the next thing which you're going to do is to duplicate this video. And this is how you duplicate it. Once you select the video on Capcut, then you come at the down, which is where you're going to search for this particular one, duplicate, which you are going to make this video to be 2. And the next thing you do is convert this second video to an overlay, which is what we are going to be doing, which is what we are searching below. Once you select the video, it's going to bring all the options. Then you come to overlay. Once we convert this video to overlay, then we draw it to the edge, to the beginning point, so that these two videos sync together. It's very important these two videos sync together, and that's what makes it more interesting. So now you select this video and do one other thing. You do what? Remove background. Once you come to auto remover to remove the background will automatically be removed. And watch something, we did automatic removal on the overlaid video, not on the first one. Now once you remove it, then the next thing which we'll need to do is to add text, which is what you're seeing, A+. We add text. This is the text in which we typed. On this text you can also add animation effects and every other thing which you want to add on this text, either animation or you just want to use a plain text for your video, for the text behind animation. So now the next thing which we need to do is to convert these text to a text behind. Now once you select this video, the overlaid one, then the next thing you have to do is to come to this other part, come to layer. Layer is where you're going to determine which of the image or text in which you want to use. You can either select the text to send it to the back, or select the overlay then to send it to the front. Anyone in which you select, automatically they will all work. Now we've selected the text to send to the back, which is what you'll see now. This is how it looks like. The text is behind the overlay, and the next thing which we'll need to do is to add sound, which is sound effects, just to spice it up, to make it look more interesting and more spicy. And at the end of this video, you're going to see the end result of what we actually did. So some of the special things in which we did on this video is to add animation effect to the text, and also add sound to this video to make it look more interesting and more spicy. Now this is the end result.
So text behind effect is a way of making your video look attractive or interesting for whoever that is watching it, or your audience watching your videos. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Have a blessed day.